Hey guys, I wanted to share with you our thoughts on this cart that we got in from Amazon. It was sent for us to try and then show you how to use it. So, isn't this a great cart here? We have a cart already that we bought several years ago, but I'd say this one is definitely bigger and it has better tires. That's what is the upgrade on this cart. This cart is so much easier to pull through sand. A wider tire like this goes better through sand. And so if you happen to bring this to the beach for all of your beach accessories, your chairs, whatever, you're gonna like this one a lot because those wheels are very important. So this is really a great, as you can see, this is huge. This holds 230 pounds of items. This is 4.5 cubic square feet, I think 4.5. This has more capacity than a lot of carts that we have found. And so it's very sturdy. It has a bottom to it here that you put in once you open it all the way. This bottom goes down, so that really protects the bottom of your cart. It makes it much sturdier. So as you can see, this is not any weakly made cart. This is very sturdy. It's made with metal. It is sewn very well. It feels like it could work for us very well when we carry a bunch of stuff with us. So when you close it up, the dimensions of it is quite small. This is what it fits into. This is the thing that holds it. So this is about 30 inches by a little bit more than 15 inches. So you could just push this together, put this in your trunk or the back of your car, your truck, and there is plenty of room for all your other things. So whether you use this for when you're traveling or you use this for more often in your everyday life, maybe to hold your groceries and bring it inside your house, it's going to be easy to maneuver and carry without taking up a lot of space. So we are very happy with this cart. I think we're going to get a lot of use out of it. And like I said, I really love just how sturdy it is. But you know what? I'm realizing there is a feature I haven't told you about. There's cup holders right here on the front. So let's say you do bring this to the beach with you or some other outdoor event, and you pull this with all of your chairs, your speaker, umbrella, whatever you have, and you put your cups right there, your cans or your drinks. So I hope you like this cart. If you're looking for a cart for yourself, this really might be the one that will work for you and your family.